There are numerous ways to earn money online. Here are a few. Freelancing. You can offer your skills on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. This can include writing, graphic design, social media management, programming, and more. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services on platforms like Chegg, Udemy, or VIPKid. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Amazon Associates and ShareASale are popular affiliate marketing programs. Selling products online. You can sell products on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. Online surveys. You can sign up for online survey websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Toluna and get paid for completing surveys. Content creation. You can create content like blog posts, videos, or podcasts and monetize them through ads or sponsorships. You can also start your own online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Stock trading. You can invest in stocks online through platforms like Robinhood or E-Trade and potentially earn a profit. Keep in mind that earning money online requires dedication, patience, and hard work. It's important to research and choose the method that works best for you and your skills.